Guys, I'm back. Ready? 15 incredible Earthshot Prize finalists are currently here in Singapore for the 3rd annual Earthshot Prize Awards. This is just the beginning. Sorry. Sir David Attenborough.
Yeah, so
Am I saying it right? Attenborough. Ambition and hope goes hand in hand. So let's hold on to the ambition and have hope for this decade of change. Let's go. I'm on my way to the Earthshot Prize Awards. 5 winners, 15 finalists. It's gonna be such an exciting night. Guys, guess who I had breakfast next to this morning? Hannah Waddington.
Hello.
She plays Rebecca in Ted Lasso. She's hosting tonight. She's gonna kill it. I was like, I love you. I just love people who are championing climate solutions. How can you not love that? Welcome to Singapore. That's the green carpet right there. And it looks like it's about to downpour. But I mean, like, of course Mother Nature had to show up to the Earthshot Prize, right? She wanted to join the party. So I'm like, come on, rain, let's go for it. It just started pouring and thundering. Look at those thunder clouds.
I mean, Mother Nature really does know how to make an entrance.
About to watch the Earthshot Prize Awards. Yay! That's my sister.
Welcome to the Earthshot Prize 2023.
£1 million to elevate their project. The Earthshot Prize for Protect and Restore Nature goes to Acción Andina.
We will find the courage because we will hold on to the most powerful motivators of all, optimism and hope.
Hey guys, it's Sophia Li. I am the correspondent at Earthshot, and we are here at Earthshot Plus today. It's a day of thought-provoking conversations, amplifying the work of the finalists, and Earthshot, come along, let's go. Good morning, everyone. How we're doing? Okay, so let's get into it. Let's give a big round of applause for what's trending in sustainable fashion with all these incredible panelists. Thank you everyone so much. Okay, we just cracked what's trending in sustainable fashion panel, and here are my 3 takeaways. 1, the latest fashion innovation happened in 1993 when plastic bottles were recycled into polyester. So that was 30 years ago. We're long overdue for a new innovation. Enter Cirque and Color Fix. They're both Earthshot finalists this year. Takeaway number 2 is that we need C-suite level executives and the brands to be on board with this innovation. Cirque and Calorifics, they have all the solutions, they have the financial capital, and now they just need the brands to be on board as well to work with them and scale this. The 3rd takeaway is regulation and policy. The fashion industry needs regulation and policy, both the carrot and the stick, to help make consumer adaptation and also business side to truly just change the fashion industry and supply chain once and for all. We got tea ready to go. Hello, Singapore. And now we're about to go interview His Royal Highness. Wish me luck. Yes. Good to see you again.
Yes, you too.
Koi fish pond where the fish like come and nibble your feet and like cleaning their feet. Yeah.
A lot of people think the award ceremony is just that. It's an award ceremony and it's philanthropic. It's not. This is about scale. This is about commercial imperative. The only way we can have the impact that we know that Earthshot Prize can is by investing and supporting the very people who are doing incredible work and making their solutions have greater impact in the areas they work in.
All right, guys, thanks for following along. And now we're off to do something even more exciting, and I'll see you later.